Another vlog. Welcome to BAHRIA ZOO once again after a long time. Check it out, right? Show some love, right? Show some love. Let's show you a few interesting places. You guys are ready for that? Hit the smash the like button, comment out there. Hello. And that's Arisha Senior. Zebra Enclave. Some people call it zebra, some call it zebra. Continent Africa. Range is native Africa area. Baboon. You see all that, you can pause the video and check it out. Don't take my camera now. Vlog will get 1500 views. Oh, no, that's a pony. I think I've seen it for the first time. The pony right now. ये pony है ना? ये क्या कौन से? Zebra. Just take this moment in, guys. I know it's in real life. Lion's favorite food. Wait for something else. Some rare species of thing. Macaws. What? You been here before? Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. ये कहाँ से आ गए? This flew over. ये तो बाहर ही जा रहे हैं. They're right open. They're kept open. So this flew from right behind there to here, right above the cage, right? So yeah. Oh, there's another species here. I'll share the video with you. Hello. African lion, oh, mushroom bikini here. Hey, African बच्चे साथ. Can you see that? Focus is going off now. Hey, like children, you know. Simba is sleeping.
He's born to be Simba. It looks like Mufasa.
Hey! Shh! Shh! Ah. Mia Saab. Mia Saab. Yeah, Aisha is a PTA supporter. Tiger, Bengali tiger. Hey, hello. Can you fight him? Can you fight him? White light, ladies and gentlemen, from Africa. It's from Timbuktu, South Africa. 12 to 15 year lifespan. Years wild. 20 years captivity. From semi-open to right fallen. There they are, couple. You guys are intimidated, isn't it? Intimidated. For you, Jay? अभी दिल होगा I'm just trying to gain its attention. That's why I'm sounding abnormal a bit. Mehboob, come here. Come on, it's just part of the play. I'm vlogging for me. When the tiger and the lion meet together, that's the tiger looking on the lion. Shh. That's one healthy lion. Wait, it's marking its territory. حسبي الله ونعم الوكيل هذا شيء خلق الله خلق الله ما شاء الله الله أكبر الله أكبر ما شاء الله هذا شيء You can't get a clear shot. Like 350-400 pounds. This is as close as you can get to a tiger. Closest you can get to is Be careful with the hand. sinus problem. Shh. Hello. Hey, girlson. Girlson.
Hello. Hello.
He doesn't give a shit.
Oh, there. Whoa.
पोज कर रहा है, पोज भी कर रहा है बंदा. हाँ. Yeah. Vlogging हो रहा है. ख्याल करो भाई. एक पाँव से you can break your bones in half. Like, you see the size of this thing? Unbelievable. It's so big, no? Eating? Yeah, fine. I think maybe eat you, no? If you climb there inside, they cannot touch you. Hey, so if somebody throw you there, right? And you can just go inside that thing. Cage there, you can go there. Hey, can you take my picture? This one, that one, okay? Just press that one.
No, this is better. One more. Okay.
Anyways, guys, thank you. Appreciate you watching my vlogs, and I hope you do it the same justice as you did my last BAHRIA vlog, and especially among every other. And I thank you for watching on my vlogs and taking your time out. You could have watched any other vlog on YouTube, any other video where you chose to come to mine. Thank you so much. And I've come with my friends, Mahbub and his family, and Maria. And yeah, so more later, I'm running out of my battery right now. So I'll give you another shot later on. I'm going to Macau Cafe right now to have some drinks and eat something. And I'm calling it off right now. So before I end, I like to show you from peacocks, right? Bye bye, adios. And see you soon, guys. Bye bye.